I just found a baby bird, and it was moving, but it's in the bushes right now. It's not moving anymore, probably because it went in here and it thinks we can't get it. Hey! It's not moving, really.
Oh, your dad's coming. Stop recording.
So, my dad's... No! So, I'm gonna... so my dad's gonna try to get it. And we're gonna put it somewhere. So I want you guys to see it move and hop around. It's in there.
Oh, I see it. Oh, okay. Do you think we should leave it?
I don't know. I feel like we should take it out of there or something.
Well, I mean, at least it's hidden from here.
Yeah,
I mean,
true.
at least the cats and stuff can't get to it.
Okay. Bye.
I'll keep coming and checking on it. Maybe if it doesn't get helped by its mother or something. But this is the best place for cats not to see it and stuff. So I wouldn't take it out of there for right. Oh, look. And there's the mother. That's why she's flying around chirping like that.
Bye.
I mean,
Bye, guys.
It looks kind of like that.